Okay, here we go. I'm just going to load it up in a second. It's got quite a nasty miss up around 5,000. It hesitates. It'll keep going, but it doesn't want to. I'm not sure what it is, if it's spark or it's actually being held back by the ECU. Under normal driving, there's no problem. And it'll settle back down, it'll idle at around 800 to 1,000. But it'll creep a little bit. I'm not sure if those revs are normal. It should be a little bit lower, I think. I can't really measure how much boost it's running at the moment because I don't have my aftermarket gauges on, so it's hard to tell. Nasty. I think it's worse than yesterday, so I'm not sure what's happening at the moment. I think it's either got to be, well, I don't know, I can only guess, but if you guys can help out, that would be choice. Tell me what you think. Thanks.